So, ladies and gentlemen, let's talk about women and hair and lashes. Let's talk about that.
What you want to know?
You know, I think that a woman, my woman, I ain't talking about yours, my woman is beautiful regardless. Lashes, hair, she can take that shit off. I think she the finest thing on the planet. Period. Bar none. I'm serious. I mean, if you see this woman without this and all this, she beautiful as fuck.
So let me first start out by saying I want to thank this man right here. I want to pay homage to this man right here. You ask why? Let me tell you why. Because for many years, like 25 years, right, I have never wore my real hair. It's been a struggle, a challenge for me to grow hair or even to just show my hair in public. This man right here gave me the encouragement, the love, and the support that I needed to come into myself, y'all. If y'all don't have a man that's willing to ask you to see the real you and they're comfortable with you wearing just your wigs, weaves, or whatever, and they never ask you to take it off, something is definitely wrong with that situation. In order for us to be equally yoked, he has to be able to see me for me. Without him, there wouldn't even be no me, and I mean the real me. The wigless and the lashless Sharmina. Thank you, baby, for making sure I was who you wanted and who you needed to share the rest of your life with. This, y'all. This. So you don't care about hair problems and no edges?
You be bald-headed and walk around with no hair on your head. Got nothing to do with my love for you.
That's deep, y'all. That's real deep.
My love for you. I don't care what you look like. Hey, if I love you, I love you, period.
I love you back, baby.
I'm gonna turn this video off in a minute, y'all. You don't kiss me like that.